This exhausting issue with the Reggae Girls Vin Blaine sitcom. The JFF is standing by Coach Blaine, as the technical committee have no grounds on which to fire the coach. But at the same time, the JFF is anxiously awaiting the resignation of Coach Blaine. You confused? Me too. But you know, sir, this is crazy though. And believe it or not, my information is that Coach Vin Blaine intended to resign, but a desperate attempt is being made to patch things up internally and resume the World Cup qualifying dream. And once again, there is a foreign-born players versus local-born players dynamic emerging, with the foreign-born players against Vin Blaine, and most of the local-born players are in support of Mr. Blaine, despite some of them signing that infamous overthrow letter. So we don't know if they signed it under some kind of duress. But instructively, again, a foreign-born versus local-born tug-of-war is threatening the stability of another national team. It is what it is. And me I go and watch the sitcom and enjoy it. Yes. I don't get no popcorn, but we get cheese chicks.